Hello there, this is Angel Peachy 1 from YouTube, and yeah, I've just had this weird feeling I should take something apart, so I found the perfect thing to take apart. This cute little electovire. Now, he's okay to take apart because he's, you know, the battery thing. I put batteries in him, doesn't work. Face recognition is picking up the little thing on his back. It's sticky. He's so sticky. Anyway. Yep. I'm going to unscrew the battery compartment. I think the reason why his batteries don't work is because nobody has those small AA batteries. Nobody. Come on, catch. Good. Now I'm going to take these things apart. Little screw. Going to take all three of these things apart, trying to keep the magnet hidden from the camera so it doesn't hurt the camera. Other screw. Last but not least, the one that looks like a butthole. Last screw. Now, to take the protective covering off. How do I do that? Here, Aha! Once doing that, his limbs fall off. So, yeah, now you know what's inside one of these guys. Yeah. Here's the little trigger that triggers the button. And now he's a broken guy. Okay, that's it. Bye.